Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Dodge Charger RT 440 six-pack, one of 116 made in 1970 with the six-pack option, the E87 code, which cost you $119 back in 1970. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was definitely a looker, that's for sure. Someone had done a nice restoration on it, and I was drawing a lot of views, drawing the crowds as they usually do, because there are pretty rare birds out there. Like I said, he only made 116 of them with the six-pack option. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1970 Dodge Charger RT with the 440 six-pack and the Torque Flight automatic transmission. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.